topic is Camstudio. So what is Camstudio and how we can use the Camstudio? So Camstudio, Camstudio is able to record all screen and audio activity on your computer and laptop, desktop, and create an industry standard AVI video files. And using its built-in SWF producer can turn those AVIs into lean, mean, bandwidth friendly streaming flash video. AVI is the MP4 AVI, so we can recording in the AVIs or SWF also. And why we use, so creating, we can creating a video tutorial and presentation directly by screenshot or via direct recording plugin into the Microsoft PowerPoint. It is in open source, so we can use it freely. And how we can which is in file is record, pause, stop, exit. So now I already press the button in start. So I'm press the, now I click and then it's in stop. So stop, so you can automatically you have the option automatically save the your uh, directory path, or if you can need. And second one is region which we can record only those regions. So you can define region, fixed region, windows or full screen. I'm giving a full screen. So as usual we can give the full screen also. And the next one is option, so which is in video option which we can decide it. So this is the list of the options. So I'm using in Microsoft Video 1, and its quality is 70, and framework, set key framework every is 100 frames. And configure, so configure Microsoft Video 1 compressor, it's a version, and it's the bandwidth temporal quality ratio, so which is in 0.75, so it's okay for us. And then capture frame every milliseconds and playback. So if you give or change the frames or playback rate, so then you click in auto adjust and then you can change. But I'm giving on my own screen description, so I'm using in auto adjusted and then lock capture or playback rate. So once you click and then which is in, please note the selecting option increase their risk audio video will desynchronize. Are you sure? So no, I'm not sure actually, I already. So once you check on this one which is in yes button, so here is some changes and then time is elapsed, so I'm giving okay button. Then second one is cursor option. So we have three type of option in cursor, which is in actual custom and cursor. Use cursor from file, so you can use, this is our, once you click on this one, so it's a cursor from file. Also we can use highlight colors, these all are, but I'm using actual cursors. So audio option, so we have multiple option in audio. We can recording through microphone, speakers, and both audio and video synchronizations also. So I'm giving a through microphone, so it's a good. Do not record audio, so once you click this one, do not record, you cannot record the audio in your video or screenshots also. When we record audio from microphone, so it's recording from with microphone. Record audio from speakers, so it's record from speakers, not from microphones. Enable auto pan speed, so you can check, and automatically stop recording, so which is you after stopping, it's automatically your recording is completed, so it's automatically stop. And program option, so we can give the multiple program option. So this is program start recording, high flashing, rectangle recording. So I'm giving only this two, one save setting on exit, and capture translucent layered window, so which is our whole window they can cover. And AVI, so I'm using use Camstudio Player 2.0, so this is our version we can use in Camstudio 2.0. And temporary recording, so which is I'm giving this temporary file directory, so which is recording, or so it's choose the path So now I have the option, so which is in this one. So it's already like choose the directory in this path, and which is we can give a record flash option, which is in swf file option, delete display in swf. So these all are we can easily manage, and which is in language English and German. So by default is English. And tools you can use in screen annotation, video annotation, swf producers convert AVI to Flash, so you can easily convertible to AVI to Flash or SWF. And effect annotations also view normal compact button, if you can give your own choice. I'm giving a normal, so that's it. And uh, this is the toggle view, and this one display screen annotations, then toggle mode to record AVI MP4 or Flash also, and which is in uh, require X node stopwatch to enable auto pause. So Camstudio is also a open source, so we can use freely to record the record the screen in our system. So thanks for watching.